Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Use the figure below given the rhombus MATH. Now we have to find value of J. Now since this is a rhombus, we know that diagonals bisect perpendicular. So since they bisect, we can say that AY equal to YH and MY equal to YT. And using these equations, we can simply equate 3k equal to 15. Thus, we get value of k as 5. And using this value of k as 5, we can calculate 4j minus 3k equal to 2j plus k. We simply put value of k here. So 4j minus 3 into 5 is 15 equal to 2j plus k is 5. So we get 4j minus 2j, which is 2j, equal to 5 plus 15, which is 20. So we get value of j as 10. So value of j is 10. Let's see what are the options. Yes, answer is option A.